DJM TV.
Now notice me as I read the Kubo, they do and they find. Sabilicious country people, wetin dey shele for inside una side now? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when e be say the time be now, when e be say una take dey look us on top our ogbonge day-to-day tori informate yarns on top our ogbonge TV station wey be DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha, una sabi country brother. Na me wan yarn una the hot tori informate when be say e dey shele on top Naija for inside this time. Sake of say the tori informate when Alhaji Mujaid Asari Dokubo yarn come out yesterday when go concern say him and him brothers for inside Naija Delta don collabo to form the Biafra left customary government on top Biafra land. The oga for Naija talk informate and culture matter when him name be Alhaji Lai Mohammed don yarn say the move when Asari Dokubo make so for the matter na drama when e be say e dey cause laugh and e do sake of to make Naija people for inside Naija for notice am sake of say e don take small wey be say dem don hear about am and see am reach. Oga Lai Mohammed yarn dis one when him dey do one talk table meeting with tori people for inside Lagos State today. Him come yarn join say Oga President Muhammadu Buhari no go shake body at all on top the matter for Oga Lai Mohammed mouth as him take yarn come out. Shebi una don hear the laugh talk sake of say na so I go fit take describe am when Asari Dokubo yarn. If Asari Dokubo wan form government and run any left government, I believe say him get the free hand to do so. This government no go shake body put at all because we get plenty things when e be say we wan still do for inside the country when e be say e dey gbege inside the country. We not ready to look the side of Asari Dokubo at all or get time on top in person when they do comedy like Dokubo, when they do notice me sake of say e don take small when e be say people for Naija hear about am reach. We go take am say na one of all the things when e be say we take dey jollificate our body for inside Naija. The better thing when e be say Naija na one beautiful country when e be say no dull moment at all sake of say anything when e dey shele dey always make people body dey jolly. Asari Dokubo bin don yarn one announcement when e for make himself the new oga for Biafra customary government where e come see announcement the name of some big oga dem when e be say dem dey different part for inside Naija. He still yarn say the new government go shook hand put for security matter when e be say dey gbege for everywhere for inside Naija now. Even as him yarn say dem no go shoot any kalash but dem go jejely do the waka mate when e be say dem need to do to form the government when e be say dem don arrange to come take over Biafra land. Some of the people when e be say him call their name yesterday when e dey yarn the informate come be George Onyibe when he say go be the sekedo for the new government and Emeka Esiri when he say go dey in charge of the law matter and him go chook mouth put for different part for inside Naija when he say they go court join the new Biafra when e be say they don form their government. So still for on top the matter, the tori people and informate sekedo for the indigenous Biafra movement when him name be Ima Powerful don yarn say their group no go gbege with anybody when they do arrange for Biafra. As him yarn for him mouth, we no go gbege anybody when they do arrange for Biafra. Biafra na for everybody and no be for one person. Na together thing when e be say we dey ask for. So we no dey against Dokubo and any person when be say e go wan arrange Biafra as we dey waka on top the matter. So as the matter dey go, the brothers of the Rivers State governor when him name be Barrister Nyesom Wike together with some elders and some young people when e be say dem dey inside the state for inside Niger Delta don comot their body for the yarns when Asari Dokubo make sake of the left government when him say him be the oga. The Governor Wike brothers when come out under the umbrella when dem call Ikwere People's Congress IPC yarn say Asari yarn na big cause for im original human right. They come yarn say the plus plus of Ikwere and Niger Delta people to the Biafra and still come make himself the oga na big vex to them. Na the oga patapata of the IPC when he be the Ikwere People's Congress when him name be Oga Livingstone Weche, na him yarn this one come out. For Oga Weche mouth, we yarn from our belle say although as I read before papas dem get their lineage for inside Ikwere nation, whereas Asari na true pikin of Niger Delta when he get original right to get him own person and link, but him no get the power, right, authority and permission to take yarn for us the Ikwere people or to even take yarn for the Niger Delta people. For any RNG either by himself or any person when he be say him choose to come talk for am. Ikwere too big for that boji play, and this one na correct no when e be say everybody know for inside Naija. This informate we hold well and e still go concern the Niger Delta because nobody even Asari Dokubo go fit force himself, in mind and in plan on top any ethnic people when e dey for inside the region when e cover the south and even Niger Delta. So therefore we dey yarn Asari Dokubo make e remove Ikwere nation comot for im plan when e be say dem get sake of say Ikwere no fit join Biafra. For their part, the South Elders Forum when be SEF don yarn say dem dey for one Naija and dem no dey inclusion for the part when e be say Asari Dokubo dey for him and im Biafra plan. Na the arranger of the SEF when im name be Sarah Igbe yarn this one as e dey yarn with Tori people. E come yarn join say the area and the whole of Niger Delta no dey inclusion for the matter, and even the Pan Niger Delta Forum when e be Pandef no get hand for inside the cut away plan when e be say Asari Dokubo and the group dey arrange. Igbe wey be one of the members for the board of the trustees for inside Pandef yarn say wetin dey only ask for na better RNG when e be say e go make every part for inside Naija dey fit dey control and use wetin dem get for inside their place take dey better their own place. Im come yarn join say Asari Dokubo get right to yarn im mind for im own mouth as e take yarn. Asari get the right for im mind, but as far as I know the South people believe in Naija. We be for one Naija and we think say we no fit come the yarn for Biafra, even though we know say wayo dey against the before is side of Naija. Make we waka go back to 1960 constitution when e be say we get our resources and we fit yarn correct federalism. Na that one na we dey for. We not dey for anything when dey low pass that one. For the side, the Ibibio Youth Council when be IYC when be the biggest group for inside Akwa Ibom State don join yarn say dem no get hand for the state of Biafra and dem no go ever join am. Na the president of the IYC when im name be Oga Imo Okoko na im yarn this one as im dey chook mouth put for the matter when e be say Asari yarn. For the matter im yarn say Asari no get better guide sake of say im go join Akwa Ibom join Biafra. Again, one before president of the Ijaw Youth Council when be IYC for the whole world when im name be Oga Eric Omare yarn say Dokubo get im right to take yarn im mind and im mouth, but many Ijaw people no join for wetin Dokubo believe put. One cultural and religious group when e be say dem dey call Order of Egbesu Brotherhood still yarn say Ijaw people no be Biafra. Na the arranger of the group when im be say im name be Apostle Botmas Prince Igeme Padey na im yarn this one. Im yarn say the Ijaw people no dey against wetin Biafra dey gbege for, but dem no be Biafra. Im come yarn join say the Ijaw people get wetin dem dey gbege for, say when the time reach dem go yarn their own gbege come out. The Egbesu oga yarn come out for im own mouth say we get big respect for Oga Asari Dokubo as one big oga for inside the Niger Delta but the one when e be say im come dey plus ijaw pipo and their land join Biafra, na only him in mind na him yarn, and na for only newspaper na there na dem go see am reach. Im come yarn join say sake of wetin Mr. Asari Dokubo yarn so, say no be the arrangee and agreement of the Ijaw people. Country people, na here our tori for this time for break leg. We wan thank una for the time when e be say una don take the look us on top our day-to-day tori informate yarns. We wan beg una make una like, share and make una knack una comment put for our comment box concerning the matter when e be say we carry come give una so. We wan still beg una when e be say we dey do business for inside Naija, say we dey do advert for this television station, say make una bring everything when e be say una get to take give country people informate concerning that business, come make we help una knack am come out, and na chicken money na we go take knack am come out for una. We wan still beg una make una subscribe on top our YouTube channel na DJM TV if una never still subscribe. Until next time when we will come una way again with ogbonge tori wey go don dey share at that time. My name na still Stanley Okocha on top DJM TV. We thank una well well. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJ TV.